Philippine authorities have confirmed the removal of a floating platform that had been monitored inside the lagoon of Bajo de Masinloc. According to the National Task Force for the West Philippine Sea, the platform's removal was verified through maritime patrols and monitoring operations. The task force noted that this came after the Philippines filed a diplomatic protest against the presence of the structure in the disputed shoal. They reiterated the Philippines' claim over Bajo de Masinloc, also known as Scarborough Shoal.